You simply want your drawing to feel alive, but the harder you try to make it accurate, the stiffer it becomes with every line. The pressure of getting everything right takes away the looseness, the freedom, and the simple joy of creating. I'll show you 4 simple exercises to help you let go and bring energy back into your drawing step by step. Let's start with the first exercise. Take a pen and a piece of paper and look at this drawing. A student recently asked me, how can I make this drawing more alive? It's such a good question because it moves the focus away from accuracy. Sometimes a drawing doesn't need more detail, it needs more movement, risk and speed. So we take the jug as a starting point and explore how to find that spark again. Set a timer for 60 seconds and stop the drawing immediately when it rings. A 1-minute drawing doesn't allow for polishing, it forces you to make instinctive decisions. Your hand moves before your brain can tell you that's wrong. The goal isn't a better jug, it's a quicker response between your eye, your hand and the paper. You draw the unexpected by looking for more directly and really observing. Your task here is to recognize the beauty in what appears, instead of rejecting it immediately as a mistake. And if you feel stuck right here, just download my free drawing guide to get you back into the flow, even if you think you can't draw. The link is in the description. The second exercise, now keep the speed by changing the material. Use something you can't fully control, like ink or watercolor. Set your timer for 2 or 3 minutes, don't try to be neat. Watercolor has a life of its own. It teaches you to let go of the need to control everything. In art we learn to embrace ambiguity. Art begins in the moment you stop resisting the process and start letting it happen. You have to adapt to its flow, understand the material and then work with it. The object emerges through loose marks and stains. This is where you learn how art emerges from uncertainty. For the third exercise, we shift our focus from the jug itself to the surrounding space. The object does not exist in a vacuum. So don't draw the jug, draw the space around it and let the jug remain free. This is what we call negative space. Build a background, it could be a shadow, a field of color, or an interior like a table or a wall. When you stop focusing on the object and start looking at the background, your brain loses its power to label and you start seeing shapes, gaps and edges. By defining the space around the object, the jug emerges on its own. We often think that to create means we have to do more lines, more control, more effort. But art often happens in the non-doing. When you stop forcing the result, you create space for the unexpected. It's not about laziness, it's about active observation. By stepping back and letting the hand follow the eye without judgment, you allow the drawing to breathe. You'll find that the most powerful marks are often the ones you didn't plan to make, but the ones that happen because you got out of your own way. In the fourth exercise, you are free to play with the form. Do not protect the correct shape of the jug. Double it, tilt it, or turn the handle into a rhythmic line. Use the object only as a raw material. Let it become strange or organic. Notice where the experiment takes you, instead of deciding too early where it should go. When you follow your own curiosity, something fundamental shifts. You are no longer completing tasks. The personal task emerges now from your own interest and investigation. It can be a certain rhythm, a shadow, a color, or strange line. This is how you uncover your own artistic voice. Trust the spark of interest. It is the moment where you stop following and start leading your own process. Real creativity isn't about forcing the paper to show what you already know. It's about becoming permeable, allowing the process to surprise you. The stiffness we feel in our drawings is often just the ghost of our own expectations. My students prove it doesn't take years to loosen up. It takes only 1 minute if you have the right task. So don't force yourself through a year-long assignment to find your flow. It's already inside of you. You just have to unleash it. If you don't feel confident doing this alone, come and join my Patreon community. I share their daily challenges to keep you in the flow. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you want to try another drawing exercise to get you simply started, watch this next video here.